is going to the kitchen with me today. We are going to make fisherman soup. If you are a lover of fisherman soup, just stay tuned. This is very yummy. Yeah, fisherman soup is soup that's always made by rivers people. Our sad part of Nigeria. This soup is called fisherman soup. When you hear fisherman soup, what comes to your mind? A lot of fish, a lot of seafood inside. We are using catfish, saltwater catfish. So we made this particular one. This is our shrooms, You can call it fresh crayfish or fresh ayaya. Just stay tuned. This is how we're going to make this particular one. Trust me, you have nothing to regret than to enjoy this video. If this is your first time to see my channel, do well to subscribe. You can call me Martino Ezeugo Kitchen. We bring to you here how to make any kind of African food and also entertainment side of it, food eating competition. Now do well to clean your shrimps or fresh crayfish. Trust me, you're gonna like this particular one. All right, stay tuned as we're cleaning it very carefully. After that, pour your catfish on a bowl. Go in with hot water. If you fail to do it this way, your soup will be messed up. Add a pinch of salt. This thing you're doing, it will enable it to wash very well. Alright, stir gently. Make sure that the hot water is enough. It covers the catfish well before the washing proceed. See, we are removing the slimy things. Have you seen it? Is it? Yeah. Then do well to clean thoroughly and rinse with cold water. If you fail to wash it very well like this, your food will be messed up. Trust me. Even if you want to make pepper soup, this is the way. As we are doing it, we are also feeding our, other creatures. Then we go in the catfish in our pots. Alright, then we scotch bonnet pepper. We put our salt. Our onions is ready. Stir very well. Stir, mix very well. Then you do well to put on the fire. Pour your water. Cover the pot. Let the fire begin to do its own magic. Everywhere is already scenting catfish. Everywhere is already scenting. Now, one thing people don't understand about this fisherman soup, there's a lot of fishes inside. When making it, be careful how you turn your fish. If not, it will scatter. When your fish is getting ready, in another pot, go in with your red oil. Once the red oil is ready, you pour in water. Go in with that fish, that saltwater catfish, the one we say don't prepare already. Alright, just follow these videos in detail. Any of my video you see, follow it in detail. Trust me, you'll be a professional cook. Then we add the water again. We go with our snail, our shrimps. You can call fresh crayfish, well clean. Let me know if you're going to try this particular one on comment section. Do wait to ask any question you want on comment section. If there's any particular meal you want me to prepare, drop it on comment section. I got you covered 100%. Martino Ezeugo Kitchen got you covered 100%. Stir gently so that this catfish will not scatter in the pot. We still adjust with our onions. This is our thickener. We're using offer on this particular one. This is how we're going to mix it with our red oil. You can use cocoyam, you can use achi, you can use curry, you can use fish also to make your thickener. So you can use anything as your thickener, depends on what is available. In this one, we're using offer, well mixed with red oil. Let me know on comment section if you're going to try this. Also check down side, you will see our afang soup, vegetable soup, onion sauce, any kind of meal you want, you find it in this channel. Do what some you are watching from so we can give you a hug. Then we adjust with our scotch bonnet pepper. Where are you watching from? Tell me on comment section. So you have a special shout out from me to you. You have to stir gently to avoid scattering the fish. You know this soup needs a lot of pepper. If not, you might, you know. We add our crayfish. Crayfish is not necessary because we already use fish, a lot of crayfish, a lot of snail. In making this particular fish, crayfish is not necessary. But if I'm cooking, I do not add crayfish. Ask me what's my problem. Anytime I'm cooking, I must add my crayfish because crayfish give you this different taste, this different flavor that you cannot imagine. I can't forget to add my periwinkle. But if you don't have periwinkle, don't worry. If you are watching the video to this extent, do well to write my name in capital letter on the comment section. Martino Ezeugo Kitchen is being spelled Amartino. Ezeugo, spell Ezeug, kitchen, Kitchen. Now we go in with our Uziza leaf. This is one of the leaf that will cause wahala in your area. Once you add this leaf, everywhere is already booming, scenting, attracting, calling your neighbors, come, bring plate, there is free food somewhere. But if you come, sorry, the food is not even enough for me to give you. Talking of giving to you, Do well to share this video to help brother, to help sister, and do well to subscribe to the channel for your own good. Turn on your notification bell to be getting updates. Drop your comments. Ask your question. If you don't understand, go back.